This is the teacher Haris Bhatt, and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Welcome back. So I have given the guess of O-level accounting, and the paper has already been uploaded by me. I have solved the paper. I have solved the questions of manufacturing, ratios, even depreciation I have solved, and it is available on my YouTube channel because of my brother from Zimbabwe. Thank you very much, sir, for sending me the paper. Hats off to you. I salute you for this favor. And I've uploaded the questions of BRS, depreciation, manufacturing account, errors, effect of error before correction, and the question of ratios also, which is quite simple actually. Now we are going to have paper of AS accounting tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala. So I'm going to launch a workshop which is going to be held today at 11 o'clock at night, Pakistan time. 11 Pakistan time at night. Do join the workshop. It will cost you hardly 1,000 rupees, just 1,000. And I want you to join that. Why? Because definitely whatever I'm going to tell you, that will appear in the exam. That will come in the exam. Having said this, you must be thinking, sir, why you are asking us to pay 1,000? So why don't you tell us right now? Okay, I'm supposed to solve some questions in front of you for in that particular 1 hour, which is 11 to 12 today. That is the only one workshop for AS accounting. Then we'll go for P3 and P4 afterwards, right? And that particular workshop will cover the paper, the upcoming exam tomorrow, the questions, the type of questions which is going to be examined in your exam, AS accounting 9706 variant 22, which is going to be held tomorrow, right? So the questions which are going to come tomorrow, I will share with you. That is the last minute tips. A partnership incomplete record, then or a company incomplete record, right? Then we are going to have a question of depreciation or ratios. In ratios, remember that you have to go to the next whole number if you are calculating ratios in days. Either inventory turnover in days, trade receivable turnover in days, you will go to the answer to the next whole number, right? Then times, current ratio should be written 2:1, 1:1, that is very important. Third question is from company, a company with errors, a corrected statement of financial position, or a T account, question of retained earnings, statement of changes in equity, share capital account. And the last question is from absorption. I'm going to give you a tip. If you don't want to join workshop, it's fine, it's up to you. I'm giving you my number 0333 471 2897. I will also write it down. You can WhatsApp me, you can submit the amount in my JazzCash account, and we are going to have a class from 11 to 12, the workshop, which will help you, believe me, which will help you. You can ask the O-level students also, either it help them or not. It will help you too much in your exam if you have good knowledge of accounting then only. Because if you don't have knowledge of accounting, it will not work for you, right? So go for the specimen paper 2023 variant 22. I'm telling you, 70-80% of the paper will be of the same type. I have already uploaded the lectures, partnership incomplete record question, which has come in as specimen paper 2023, absorption costing, the same which is going to come in the exam. I have solved also the question of the third question is of BRS, solved that also, the bank reconciliation statement question, right? And this is how you will cope up with the paper, and the company question also regarding the T accounts. Right? For paper 3, I've already given you the guess, non-profit organization, schedule of non-current assets and cash flow out of these two. And the last question is from business purchase or budget, but the business purchase will be the question. Paper 4, ABC and budgeting. You have asked me to give you the guess of paper 3 and paper 4. So ABC and budgeting is going to be the exam. Wait for my next video tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, or day after tomorrow, for P3 and P4 last minute tips, and for variant 31 and 41. I'm going to upload the guess also for that, because somebody has asked me that, sir, please, we need the guess of variant 31 and 41 also. So I'll go for it just for your sake. Please do motivate me. Remember me in your prayers. Subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You're not subscribing actually, though it is not monetized at all, right? And join the workshop at 11. It's a negligible amount. It's a nothing amount, right? Send me an SMS so that we can solve questions, but I have given you all the details. Feel free to ask me any question on my WhatsApp number. God bless you. Hoping you will do good in your exam. The grade threshold of O-level accounting variant 2 will be 61. Right? Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.